Have you ever wondered why people judge others based on group identity? Prejudice and discrimination are pervasive in our society. These issues tear at the fabric of our communities. Yet, understanding them is the first step toward a solution. Prejudice refers to negative attitudes towards a group. This often includes feelings of hostility and fear. Discrimination is the behavior resulting from prejudice. It involves treating individuals unfairly due to group membership. Both prejudice and discrimination harm not only individuals but society as a whole. Now, let's explore some key concepts to better understand these dynamics. First, we have stereotypes. They are generalized beliefs about a group's characteristics. Stereotypes can influence perceptions and lead to false assumptions. This cognitive process often fuels prejudice and discrimination. Next, we will look at theories explaining these social phenomena. Social identity theory explains how group membership shapes self-esteem. People often favor their in-group while showing bias against out-groups. This can be seen even in arbitrary group divisions, leading to unfair treatment. Another important concept is Allport's contact hypothesis. This theory suggests that under certain conditions, intergroup contact reduces prejudice. Key factors include equal status, common goals, and opportunities for personal interaction. Effective contact can shift attitudes and foster understanding. Implicit bias is another critical aspect. It refers to unconscious associations affecting behavior. Studies show that well-meaning individuals can still harbor biases. These biases impact decisions in various fields, like hiring and policing. Awareness and training are essential to counter these automatic biases. To combat prejudice and discrimination, strategies are needed at multiple levels. First, structural reforms are necessary, such as legal protections and equitable hiring practices. Transparency and accountability are essential to dismantling systemic discrimination. Educational programs can also make a difference. Critical thinking about stereotypes, intergroup empathy, and conflict resolution should be integral to curricula. Programs that blend cognitive and emotional learning yield promising results. Moreover, contact-based interventions can be effective. Initiatives promoting cooperative tasks or shared goals help reduce prejudice. Successful programs require thoughtful implementation and institutional support. Lastly, addressing implicit bias is vital. Training sessions raising awareness of unconscious bias are useful. Implementing structured decision-making processes, like blind recruitment, can further mitigate the effects of bias. It's crucial to remember efforts must acknowledge historical injustices. Restorative justice and community reparative projects can rebuild trust. Approaches should be participatory and culturally sensitive, aimed at systemic change. In summary, understanding prejudice and discrimination is essential for social cohesion. Awareness of theories and interventions helps foster a more inclusive society. We must remain committed to research and ethical practices as we navigate diversity challenges. Take action today. Share this video with others to spread awareness. Engage in conversations about prejudice and discrimination. Together, we can create a more equitable world.